Hey guys, it's Norm with Mobile Glass. I thought I'd get this one on video. Haven't done a video in a while. I do apologize, but what we got here is this is a Lexus, and we got a crack on the inside of the windshield. This happens often where someone bumps the rear view mirror. You can see that's where the start is. We didn't know that the crack was on the inside layer of the glass. We thought it was on the outside like normal. Never heard of anyone repairing the inside. This is a first for me. Never even tried it. 10 years of doing this. So thought I'd give it a whirl. What do you know? I was able to drill the end of it, and it looks like I hit it just right. So now that I've drilled the end of the crack to stop it, I was able to set the bridge up upside down. Now, of course, we're dealing with gravity now, because normally we have gravity to feed the liquid through this tube. This we call it the injector. So I'm going to have to put some of the liquid in there backwards and then stick it up there with the plunger already in. So I'm going to do some things a little backwards here, but we're going to see if it works. If it does, well, looks like I could add that to the list of services we could do. This is a first, and it's kind of fun, kind of exciting. So let you guys know how it turns out. I'm going to pause it here, and we'll be back in a second. All right, well, surprise, surprise. It looks like it's working. It's hard to get this to focus right. There we go. So you can see the resin has, kind of moved through 5 inches or so. It didn't go too far, but it's definitely made that line disappear to about that point right here, as you can see. So we'll go through the process. We'll cure the glue and clean it up, and well, there you go. I guess call us if you have a crack in the inside too. Thanks for watching. Mobile Glass, 512-983-4527. Take care, guys. Like, share, subscribe.